Hello everyone. You all are enthusiastically welcome in English grammar class. Hope you all be doing well. Today we are going to discuss story 1, that is Three Greedy Men, and story 2, A Farmer and His Sons. So students, today we will discuss two stories. One is related to three greedy men and second, A Farmer and His Son. Let's discuss first of all first story, that is Three Greedy Men. Once three friends set out on a journey. On the way they found a bag full of gold. They decided to divide the gold equally among themselves. Now what happened? In fact, each wanted to have whole of it. Students, just think for a while, you are going on some journey or you set off for a journey along with your friends, one or two, then you just found a bag full of gold or anything which is precious on the way. What you will think, obviously everyone want not to distribute among those friends or those people, but want to take the whole of it. The similar case is with these friends, that each wanted to take the whole of it. They felt hunger. One of them went to nearby village to fetch food. Now they were feeling hungry, and one of the friend go to village to fetch food, to bring food. And what happens in his absence, when he went to fetch the food, he mixed some poison in the food. Okay, so his friends should die and he get the whole of the gold. But what happens in his absence, the two decided to kill him on his return. So when he returned, he was put to death. The other two ate the poison food and decided at the spot. So all friends were killed and no one get anything at all. So what is the moral of the story? As you sow, so shall you reap. जैसा आप बोगे वैसा ही काटोगे. As you do with one person, the similar case actually will come upon you. Now let's discuss the story number 2, A Farmer and His Sons. It's very old story, you must be aware of it, but let's discuss once again. Once there was a farmer. He lived in a village. He had 3 sons. They always quarreled with one another. One day, farmer brought a bundle of sticks. He asked them to break it. They tried their best but could not do so. Why they couldn't break the sticks? Because the sticks were united. Then the farmer untied the bundle. He told them to break the sticks. Then the farmer untied the bundle and now ordered his sons that break these sticks. What happens? They broke them easily. Why? Because now the sticks were separate. The farmer said, "United we stand, and divide we fall." So when you are standing, unite. When you are unite, obviously no one can inflict you any injury at any case, because you are strong. When you are united, you are strong. But once you just divide, then you will fall apart and everyone can inflict you injury. The same case happened with the farmer and his sons. They began to live in peace, and they got the lesson that when they are united, then they can stand, and when they are divided, they will fall. And after getting the lesson, they started to live in peace. What is the moral of this story? Union is strength. Now learn these two stories. Thank you so much for watching my video.